Hello everyone and welcome to today's Ipsy unbagging. This is the January Ipsy. It took a really long time to get to me this month, so yeah, let's get into it and see what they sent. I did do some sneak peeks, so I have an idea what's in here, and I think I might be changing up some of my selections, but let's go ahead and take a peek in here. So first of all, outside the bag, I have a brush. I have this lovely brush, and let me see if I can see who it's from. No, not really. Elena Badro. Okay, and it's got this like iridescent handle, it looks like, and that is just a cute little round domed brush. Yeah, it doesn't say anything else. Just it's from Elena Badro. I'm probably butchering that name, but yeah. And then we have the bag. Ooh, I forgot what this bag looked like. It's been so long since I, was looking at it and, anticipating it. Just double checking, nothing else in the mailer bag. But here it is. It's like a faux leather vinyl with this soft blue and pink and yellow cloudy bits. Kind of want to eat some cotton candy. And we got our smiley face pull. So let's get in here and see what we've got. I'm just randomly reaching in, and first thing I pull out is something in a little tub. It is from Honey Jarrett, and it is a lip sleeping mask in lemon honey. Ugh, easy for me to say. That smells nice. Ooh, very thick jelly consistency. Very thick. Okay. That was probably a mistake. Now my fingers are all sticky. Okay. Yeah, that's very sticky. And I don't know why I keep touching it. Why did I put it on my hand? You can't swatch a lip sleeping mask. But yes, that is from Honey Jarrett. You can't really see it. It is a lip sleeping mask. It is a sample size 3 grams or 0.1 ounces. Okay, next up, without looking, we've got something from The Balm. It's a Date blush, and it is in the shade. It's a date. Let's see. Yep, it is in the shade. It's called It's a Date, and that is the blush there. Let me swatch a little bit on the back of my hand, if I can get it to show up. There you go. Very peachy. I feel like all the blushes I get are peachy, but that's okay, I guess. Yeah, so that's cute little thing from The Balm. Can take that out and put it in a little Z palette if I wanted. Alright, next up we have something that the box is open. That's how I pulled it out. This is from Belle and Argent. Already Raining. It is a nail polish. And here we go. Does it need a good shake? Maybe. Okay, so Belle and Argent and Already Raining. And that is that color. What color is this? Kind of a pale lilac-y color, I guess you would say. I was thinking it was kind of pink. It looks like it might have a micro shimmer in it. It's hard to tell. Yeah, it definitely looks like it has a micro shimmer in it. When I hold it up to the light, trying to get the right angle so you don't see my lights reflecting off it, but also get a little bit of that shimmer. But yeah, there's a micro shimmer in there, and that is kind of a soft lilac-y color. I've never heard of this brand before. Belle and Argent. And they're from San Francisco. So I was kind of like, oh, they're from France. Nope, they're from San Francisco. So that is another nail polish, which I've gotten a nail polish every month, so I might have to change that up. And then I have, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 products. I have the card. This month's theme is Happy Vibes. Do they tell me what's in here? Nope. They have a cheat sheet on Happy Skin cheat sheet. And it tells you like what the different chemicals are, like AHAs, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, why it's used, and when it works. Yeah. And then on the back, just information about Ipsy. Alright, and then that means there's one last thing in here, and it's teeny tiny, and it is the item I picked. It is a sample, teeny tiny sample of the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. That itty bitty little guy right there. And I have it in the shade, doesn't even say, 12N, Fair Neutral. That might work. It's hard to tell. I've never tried a Tarte Shape Tape. That looks like it'll probably work. It's very nice. There is it swatched on my hand. I mean, it can be blended out more. But that's nice. Okay. Well, I mean, nothing super exciting this month. We've got the Tarte Shape Tape. So I did want to try some new concealers. So this is something I can try. We have the It's a Date blush from The Balm. We have this pale lilac-y with shimmer nail polish. The Honey Jarrett sleeping mask and lip sleeping mask in Honey Lemon. And our cute little round brush. So that is everything that came in this month's Ipsy. Not super exciting, but also not bad. Definitely some things I will use, and yeah, I'm just really shocked that it took so long to get here. But tune in next time for something else. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you enjoyed my content and want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. And until I see you in my next video, take care and see you later. Bye.